Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Brother HL-B2000D monolaser driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to of course open our browser. So once you open your browser right here, on the search bar, just search for this, which is your printer, and then just add driver download. And then after that, just click on enter. And then in this part, look for this specific website. So once you click that, you will be redirected into this part. So we have here the step 1, which is to select the operating system. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on this. Now, we're going to choose the OS version of our operating system. So to know that, what we're going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for system information. After that, just click on open right here. And then you should be able to see it right here on the system type, which is 64-based PC, and then Windows 11, which is right here. So in this part, we're going to choose Windows 11. And then if you're, let's say for example, you're using 32-bit, just click on 32-bit right here. But I will just leave it as it is, and then click on OK. After that, in this part, all you have to do is to look for drivers, which is right here, and then look for printer driver. So we're going to click on this. And then after that, we're going to click on agree to the EULA and download. And then after that, let's wait for this to finish. After that, we're going to click on show in folder. And then we're going to double click on this. And then after that, you would be able to see this file. So what we're going to do next on the search bar is to search for printers. After that, open printers and scanners. And then in this part, just click on add a new device, which is right here. And then click on add a new device manually, which is right here. So just click that and then click on add a local printer and then click on next. And then for the existing port, just look for any USB port that you would see right here. But in my case, I don't have that. So I'm just going to click on null and then click on next. After that, we're going to click on have disk and then click on browse. And then we're going to click on downloads and then go here on the folder that we have just extracted. And then in this part, you will see this one right here. So what we're going to do is to just click on this one right here and then click on OK. And then in this part, you will now be able to see a bunch of printer drivers that we can use. So we're going to look for our printer, which is right here. And then we're going to click on next. After that, click on next again. And then the driver will now be installed. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. After that, just click on do not share and then click on next and then click on finish. And then if you scroll down, you would now be able to see the driver right here. So that is basically it.